Hello, this is Dr. Bo Ellis, and I have a Wave Pro here. And as some of you know, vibrational technology accelerates neuromuscular growth and development. Simply put, that means you'll get better results faster, regardless of the exercises that you are doing. I'm going to run through a series of beginner, intermediate, and advanced exercises for chest. And the set that I'm going to do is going to be 30 seconds long. I'm setting the machine at 35 hertz for a vibrational frequency, and it'll be on low amplitude. Okay? If you're using this for the first time, it's good to hold on to the handlebars and of course practice good technique. And so I'm selecting the beginner exercise for the chest, and this one is really simple. You're just going to grab the straps here, and you're just going to cross your arms and kind of pull your arms together just like you're doing a muscular pose. You want to make sure that the straps are long enough to reach your arms and your height. So this will basically be an isometric exercise. It's a beginning exercise. You want to use 50%, maybe 75% of your strength, because you don't want to tear anything, you don't want to rip anything, you want to give your body a chance to grow and develop. So here we go. 30 seconds. Crossing your arms and just pulling about 50-75% of your strength. You just hold that for 30 seconds. You want to make sure that your knees are bent, ankles are bent, knees are above the toes. You want to make sure your back is straight and that you're in a somewhat comfortable position. 5 more seconds. And there's that. Intermediate exercise. Same frequencies. Same 30 seconds, same low amplitude. On this one, I'm going to do a modified push-up on the biplate. So basically, I'm going to get my hands just outside the shoulders, shoulder width or a little bit more apart, and I'm going to be on my knees. If you have a pad, that would be helpful. I'm in my garage, it's cement floor, so this will come in handy. Nice and smooth and controlled movements. You can start this with more bend in the knee to make it easier, or you can straighten up a little bit and do that modified push-up. All the way up, all the way down. And you can tell my knees are about shoulder width apart. The next one is going to be the advanced exercise, and that's basically a full push-up. If you want to do a one-arm push-up on this, you could even do that. So let's get this started. 30 seconds, 35 hertz. And you can do more than one set on this. Keep your body nice and straight. All the way up, all the way down. Make sure that you breathe in and then breathe out. Nice and smooth, nice and controlled movement. Your feet can be together or they can be apart. The farther they are apart, the easier the exercise. All right, that concludes the chest. Thank you for watching. And make sure you subscribe, click like, share this with other people, and I have a few more videos to do with vibration. Thank you for watching.